Moreland.
Temperatures right now range from the lower 60s across the north to the lower 70s across the south. But as that warm front moves north throughout the evening and overnight hours, temperatures will be going up to around 80 as we approach midnight. Then we're going to watch a cold front move in. Behind that cold front, sharply cooler weather for the next couple of days. High temperatures tomorrow will be in the 60s early, then falling into the 50s. We'll see lower 60s on Saturday and then upper 60s to lower 70s as we move into early next week. So right now, temperatures range from 62 in Mountain to 72 in Fond du Lac and Wautoma. But just south of our viewing area, across parts of Columbia and Dodge counties, temperatures are already climbing close to 80. And that warmth is moving north. Currently in the valley, we're looking at some drizzle and fog. The temperature is 66 degrees. We have the same thing in Green Bay. It is 68. Dew points have climbed into the upper 60s, so it is a humid day out there. We've got quiet weather right now, but we did have a heavy rain shower / thunderstorm move across the Green Bay area during the middle of the afternoon. It produced a rainfall rate of 4.7 inches per hour here at NBC26. Thankfully, it did not last an hour, and now it's long gone. We're watching thunderstorms now developing to our west. This is the next batch of activity that's going to move into our area later on tonight. You can see that line of thunderstorms producing severe weather across parts of Minnesota and Iowa. A severe thunderstorm watch and a tornado watch have been issued across those areas. And once again, the Storm Prediction Center is thinking about issuing a tornado watch that would cover much of this area as we head throughout the evening hours. Now, it does appear that the best threat for organized big-time severe weather is going to be way off to our west, but those thunderstorms will be moving east into an environment that is still favorable for severe activity, and that's why we have a slight risk of organized severe weather across most of the viewing area as we head throughout the nighttime hours ahead of that cold front. And that means short-lived and or scattered severe thunderstorms are likely, and all types of severe weather would be possible. Here's a look at the high-res future radar showing that line really coming together here as we head through the next several hours, probably reaching its peak intensity between about 7 and 10 o'clock. And then it does appear that it will start to weaken just a bit as it moves towards the Fox Valley and then really weakens as it makes its way towards the lakeshore. But once again, the storms could still be strong enough that we could be dealing with some severe weather across the area. So stay tuned. All of this developing to the north and along a frontal boundary that is located to our south and west this evening. We've got a warm front that is sliding north into southern Wisconsin right now. South of it today, temperatures were in the 90s. North and west of this system, afternoon high temperatures were only in the 30s and 40s across North Dakota, and that much cooler weather is headed south and east. We'll see highs in the mid to upper 60s tomorrow morning and then falling throughout the day. In fact, by the afternoon, temperatures will be falling into the 50s, which brings us to your NEW Sports Showdown game of the week between Kimberly and Neenah. Bring your jacket. Kickoff temperatures around 52 and falling. It's also going to be windy. Colder temperatures will work in behind the game. In fact, by Saturday morning, many spots will drop into the 30s, and that means some patchy frost or a widespread frost appears likely across much of the viewing area away from Lake Michigan. And it's pretty much right on time, right? The first day of fall is Saturday. The autumnal equinox is at 8:54 p.m. So tonight, thunderstorms developing later on. Some could be severe. It's going to be windy. Temperatures will go up to around 80, then fall to around 68 by tomorrow morning, and then 60s falling into the 50s during the afternoon. Gusty winds, lots of clouds, maybe a shower or two. We'll look for that threat for some frost Saturday morning, upper 50s to lower 60s. Lake clouds and sunshine throughout the day. Sun and clouds on Sunday, warming up on Monday, and then another chance for showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday with some cooler weather by Wednesday and Thursday. So John will be keeping a close eye to the sky tonight across northeast Wisconsin. I'll break into programming if need be.
So we'll stay tuned tonight.
We will.
All right, Cameron, thanks so much. And coming up after the break here for us, we're looking at the future of jobs in the paper industry as lawmakers get ready to possibly vote on a tax incentive plan